Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a super cute and easy to use bag? I really am in love with this awesome little bag from SUGU. This bag is the perfect crossover bag that isn't too small and not too big. The bag is completely made out of a PU leather, but you can really see that up close it looks so realistic. What I really like about it, it is so lightweight. The bag has that leather look, but without all of the heaviness. It has little feet on the bottom to protect the bag, and it has lots of room on the outside pocket as well as on the inside. The bag is fully adjustable at the strap, and it's also easy to wear whether you wear it as a crossbody or on the shoulder. I really love this orange color. It's perfect for the fall time or any time of the year. And best of all, the bag is super lightweight. The bag is super easy to open because it zips right across on top and I can get things out whenever I need to. If you're looking for a really cute, very versatile bag that is easy to take with you and is super cute, then you need to check this one out. But that's just my point of view.